Alright, quick update without me apologizing too much for not editing all the other video that I have to edit. I actually just bought a 20 gig hard drive because I've basically outgrown the other 15 gigs of hard drive space I have in videos. So I have a ton of stuff to release that I'm going to be working on as soon as I get this ready. Right now I'm kind of in a crunch time. We've got Jeep Beach happening next weekend. I'm hoping to get down there and interview some of my favorite vendors like Rock Krawler, CMM. I've already talked to Brian at CMM. I'm going to talk to him. Hopefully get in and talk to the guys at Rock Krawler. Also maybe talk to the guys at Motobuilt. Just anybody that I'm passionate about, I'm excited about seeing, because they're probably going to be there. Probably run it through the obstacle course, just kind of see where I'm at compared to where I was. An update on what we've been doing. We have the PSC system installed with the big new gear, driving gear. That was a bear, but of course I will have an install video for that. You have to put a whole new engine mount in order to get it in, so you actually have to unbolt all of it and jack the motor up in order to get that in there. Yesterday I was able to get the front part of my Swayloc dual rate sway bars installed. These are pneumatic switches, so you'll be able to switch from on-road, better than on-road performance to full articulation off-road. I'm excited about doing the install and review on those because I think it's probably one of the better products on the market for sway bars. You get the best of both worlds there. Oh yeah, and we've gotten the Rock Krawler control arms in. I'm still running my JKS springs. I just got the Rock Krawler spring seats in to change the geometry. Look how beautiful this PSC bracket is. I mean, this aluminum, look at that. That is gorgeous. I mean, seriously, that is an amazing, that's a piece of artwork right there. This is the Ram. We're going to be finishing that installment. Of course, I filmed some of that. I'm going to do a video, probably a shorter video on that one, kind of going over what some of the complications of installing that were. I appreciate everybody that's been subscribing to the channel and liking my videos. It really makes me feel good about doing it. As soon as we're done with Jeep Beach, then I'm going to be sitting at my desk editing all of these install videos. But again, I appreciate it, and hopefully I'll see you at Jeep Beach. If you see me there, then I'm going to try to have some of my stickers printed to pass out. So if you see me there, come up and say hello. And otherwise, again, I really appreciate all the support. Thanks, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.